Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use bulk discount in Printify. So you can navigate to catalog. First you need to be logged into your Printify account and then navigate to your catalog and then go for example and choose men or women or anything, for example men t-shirts, and then open the filter and sorting and go until you find discount and then toggle this one, bulk discount eligible. You can see the results and then you can press on this one. You can see you can start designing and you can select a fulfillment option, the colors and everything, and you can start designing and then you can input the bulk discount into this one because this product is a bulk discount eligible. So this is how you do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.